especially AMD and Intel. I watch on YouTube reviews and so on. Okay, so personally, I'm interested in AMD because this is a Bloomberg website, and we can take a look at AMD's stock prices here. All right, all-time high, almost hitting $50 per stock. $50 per share. And if you look at the 5-year chart, it has been on a huge uprising move since 2016. Recently, as of if you are into tech and you have been reading tech reviews and so on, AMD has been destroying Intel based on their new processing they have this new 7nm process for their CPU chips. Maybe putting in layman terms, it means that CPU chips are more efficient and they can run faster. So their recent Ryzen processors and the Threadripper processors have been outperforming Intel by quite a fair bit since from 2019. I think from beginning of 2019 until now, recently at CES 2020, they have been outperforming almost all of Intel's processors, and Intel doesn't seem to have an answer because Intel's have yet to move on to the 7nm manufacturing process, which is a big deal. Hence, Intel doesn't seem to have an answer for AMD's desktop processors right now. And as you can see on the recent articles here, AMD is moving on to laptop chips because they recently announced their new AMD 4000 series processors, which are chips that are designed specifically for laptops. So Intel also used to have dominance on the laptop market, but it seems like AMD, with their superior performance in the desktop market, they're trying to bring that technology into laptop processors as well.